ये कैसे हो गया है?
This science-based butthole named Kashish Gupta basically copy-pasted Tom Purvis. Plagiarism is a thing, okay? But in India, nobody gives a damn about this. And have you seen this dude give credit to Tom Purvis in his freaking video? Abso-freaking-lutely not. I'll give it to him, Kasti Gupta has decent freaking knowledge, no cap. But the way he calls out Jack freaking Jim Bros and he says that these freaking people do not know shit about resistance training is straight up BS. Like bro, just freaking look at you. Why don't you show your goddamn legs? You my friend, you're definitely hiding bamboo stick like legs inside that baggy freaking pants of yours. Now he's onto the technique called fear-mongering pussification. He terrifies his freaking audience by using endless scientific jargon and spam sports science research papers by the top tier sports scientists like Dr. Eric Helms, Dr. Mike Israetel, Dr. Brian Schoenfeld, and whatever doctors they are. They all agree to one goddamn point, that is, sports science is not well equipped to tell what is good and what is bad. And I forgot to mention, Dr. Lyle McDonald has already debunked everything about sports science, why it is a fad, and how these scientists try to manipulate different things in their research papers. Kashish Gupta's fad-driven, charlatan-based tomfoolery goes something like this. Barbell rows will put you on a stretcher. You will inevitably develop spinal stenosis, herniated or prolapsed disc, yada yada. Barbell upright rows will wreck your glenohumeral ligaments because you have a type 3 acromion and a small subacromial space. But dear folks, that's not the case, okay? Millions of gym bros have done this non-optimal exercises and have developed physiques that are better than Kashish Gupta's. Gupta dismisses anecdotes and clinical evidences entirely, which not only shows that he is a close-minded maniac, but also illustrates the fact that he low-key is an illiterate and is not open to learning beyond his echo chamber. But what's the real reason that Kashish is injury-prone and he hates the bilateral barbell lifts? It's because he's clearly stuck in left AIC, right BC, right TMCC patch. As someone who actually understands PRI, I can clearly spot this from a mile away. Just because something has hurt you or something doesn't work for you doesn't mean that it won't work for others, okay? There are multiple ways to skin the goddamn cat. It's as simple as that. So here's my conclusion, and I'll say this with utmost confidence. Kashish Gupta is an ACE certified coach and he is scamming the naive Indian audience under the guise of biomechanics and fear-mongering pussification. He is straight up keeping people small and he is pushing this delulu loaded freaking bullshit mindset that his physique is the prime peak natty natural physique. Spoiler alert, it's not, okay? Bottom line, this is pure BS, and level up your goddamn natty standards. Stop coping and stop hiding behind excuses like shit genetics, lack of money, etc. I hope this message sinks in, and until then, peace out.
देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, महाकाल का दबाकर लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए, 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकिए दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए, ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजा